Do you ever wonder what your teenager is doing on social media? Do you experience nightmares of your husband's underwear? Do you just feel overwhelmed? You may be suffering from chronic laundry. Chronic laundry affects 10 out of 10 families around the world. This condition can lead to buying store-bought laundry products. Products that leave toxic chemicals on you and your family's skin. You need MyGreenFills. Side effects of MyGreenFills include smelling like essential oils, not Irish springtime fairy farts, and like literally the cleanest clothes ever. You'll have more time for impressing friends with your small batch kombucha. Stop using MyGreenFills if you prefer overpaying for eco products that just don't work, or think toxic chemicals aren't all that bad. Chronic laundry isn't easy. Talk to your spouse about joining MyGreenFills. These products are real, and you can try them today for free.